I'm on the flat. To get moving, I can just pedal if I want. You've got to push quite a bit though, so you really got to give it that some. It's not kicking in yet, but the easiest way is use the thumb, get moving and then pedal. Let go of the thumb and then pedal, and you've got the power. I'm still in gear number 3 and number 1 for power assist. So now we're going downhill. Morning. Hello.
What do you mean?
Okay, go past people slowly. Little bump. So we're going downhill. I've not had to put any more power assistance on. I don't know if you can hear me with the wind noise. Lean into the corner. Pulling it. Slight lean. Now, this is going up an hill, but it's only a slight hill. So I can start to feel it's getting harder to pedal. So I'm going to increase the power assist. So number 2, I could feel the difference. Number 3, big difference. So I'm still having to push on the pedals, but it's easier. Now, I will be coming to a very steep hill. It probably won't show up on the camera, where I will need to gear down and to use more power. So I will be gearing down. Gearing down, I find this strange, you have to push it forwards. You would have thought that would have been up and that were down, but it's the opposite way. So, number 3 power assist, number 3 gear. The hill is starting to get steep, so I'm going to gear down. Number 2, number 1, and I can feel the pedals. Morning. Power assist 3, quite a steep hill this. This is the steepest part. So number 4. And gear 1. Yeah, now I'm on the flat. Reduce that down to number 2. The gears, I can go up. Number 2. So on the flat again, I'm 2 power, 2 gear. Nice and steady, 6 miles an hour. Just coasting a little bit. Bump it. Oh! And now we are back where we started. So I stop with the brakes, parking brake on, stop recording.